Hi students, welcome to the online social classes. Today we are going to learn about first lesson locating places. Now students, all the continents, oceans, countries and cities are marked on a globe. Without any reference point, it is very difficult to locate a place on the globe. So in order to locate a place, we need a certain reference points. When we look at the globe, we are able to see only one side, as you can see in this picture, and to see the other side we have to rotate it. Now in this picture, you can see the point at the top is called North Pole and the point on the bottom is called South Pole. Okay, so the globe rotates on a pole that passes through it, which is called a axis. Now students, what is the meaning of axis? Axis is the imaginary line on which the earth rotates. You can see in this picture, and now students, you can see so many lines in these pictures. So these are called imaginary lines. There are two main imaginary lines that divided the hemispheres. The first is equator and the second is prime meridian. See, in this picture, the horizontal line is called equator and the vertical line is called prime meridian. Here you can see the lines parallel to the equator are called latitudes, and the lines parallel to the prime meridian are called longitudes. I hope students it is very clear to you, and next we can learn about latitudes in brief. Now you can see the equator. What do you mean by equator? Imaginary line drawn halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole is called equator. Now students, you can see in this picture the part of the earth which lies in the north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the part of earth which lies towards south of the equator is called southern hemisphere. As you all know, the imaginary line which are parallel to the equator are called latitudes. So togetherly they know as parallel of latitudes. Now let's come to the properties of latitudes. The length of these parallel lines keeps on decreasing as we move away from the equator towards the poles. All lines parallel to the equator forms a complete circle except the North Pole and the South Pole, which are points. These lines are numbered. Okay, the equator, which is marked as 0 degree latitude, is the largest circle that can be drawn on a globe. The North Pole is marked as 90 degree and the South Pole is marked as 90 degree. Now students, you can see in the upcoming picture, they are all 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. Togetherly, we have 180 parallels in latitudes excluding equator. I hope it is very clear to you, and all the parallels are drawn at a distance of 1 degree. Now come to some important parallel latitudes. A very first is equator itself, which is marked as 0 degree. Next comes Tropic of Cancer, which is in northeast 23.5 degree. Tropic of Capricorn, that is in south 23.5 degree. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. Thank you children.